Hey, let me sit you down for a moment, because the first time you spend a few days with the Nitro V, something shifts in how you think about portable performance. This isn't one of those laptops you buy because it's fine. This is for people who finally hit that point where good enough isn't good enough anymore. You'll feel it if you're the kind of person who notices the small delays, the stutters, the dead moments in your flow. Someone who wants their gear to move with them, not slow them down. Someone who looks at older hardware and just knows they've outgrown that phase of compromise. Before we dive deeper, check the current price and stock. Laptops with this combination of power and display jump in and out of inventory without warning. Think back to the moment you realized you needed to upgrade. Maybe it was the way your old laptop dipped frames in the exact moment you needed precision. Maybe it overheated and throttled during a long session. Or maybe you were just tired of pretending your setup still matched who you've become. Whatever it was, you knew you were ready for something faster, something steadier, something you could trust. The first days with performance like this feel almost unreal. You close the lid and it still feels powerful. You open it and everything responds instantly. The apps you use daily stop feeling like chores. The load times vanish. Even your gaming sessions feel different, not rushed, not stressed, just smooth, controlled, confident. Imagine your real day-to-day flow. You're playing demanding titles and the frame pacing stays stable. You're jumping between schoolwork or work projects, background music, streaming, maybe a few browser tabs too many, and nothing slows. You're editing clips or exporting something heavy on the side, and the system still has room to breathe. And with that fast, clean display, everything feels more alive, more immediate. You don't just see the performance, you feel it. Your reactions feel sharper because the laptop reacts instantly. Worlds load cleanly. Animations look fluid. You stop preparing for lag because it simply doesn't show up. Do me a favor and check the price again mid-video. Sometimes these units spike out of nowhere or disappear for a week before coming back at a worse deal. If you're still unsure, that hesitation is normal. It means you care about choosing something that lasts. But the surprising thing you'll notice once you switch. The whole laptop feels calmer. The fans don't scream like your old machine. The workflow feels more focused, more grounded. It's a powerful system, but not a chaotic one, and that balance is rare. And owning a machine like this does something to your mindset. You feel proud unfolding it. You feel like your setup finally matches the pace of your ideas. You feel like you invested in something that pushes you forward instead of pulling you back. It's a premium kind of confidence, but built on reliability, not hype. Quicker load times that keep you moving, smoother play that keeps you locked in, room for real multitasking, a calmer experience even under pressure, a feeling of capability every time you open it. If there's a downside, it's that once you get used to the smoothness of this display, other screens feel dull. And the power inside means it's not the lightest laptop you'll ever carry. Eventually, though, you stop comparing. You stop scrolling endlessly. You pick the laptop you knew you wanted from the start, the one that actually matches your standards now. If the Nitro V feels like that for you, don't delay and regret it later. Check the link, see the current offer, and step into the upgrade you've been ready for.